before that's why I chairman. Chairman Afoko, Paul Afoko. Edimba kono ye
I went to me.
I went to me Paul Afoko. Chairman, akwaba.
Me so.
Pacho bibi aboko de.
Nyame adom na me chia woni mo tiefo nyina.
Yeah, that's it.
Se me twi no nya papa o. Twi no nya papa enti mo fa nche me.
Enya hwe ye be kan nyina bom na ye de di nkomo no na party fon so ate onsem na se yi. Na pacho wo buy region mo campaign na niam ate sen. We started campaign so far Ashanti region wo buy niam ate sen.
Well, so far echo very positive because baby amekobia a party for that is executives no won't hear me and the response is also positive. Me buy with a simple message say in Kabum nim say in Kabum so we can never see power without unity, no power. Into baby ameko even the same the same thing, the same response. Initially, we say before 8 years, me my 8 years, woman, mommy, 8 years, we no more. That woman they didn't care about us. Now, after many woman kasa every then you can see the hope. So they believe now that with Nkabom we can get power back. Said yes, John Kai, our tradition. It started from Nkabom. That time, no, was CPP. And CPP was dominant in Ghana. No, what do you mean, Taki? Nobody can challenge CPP. Now, yes, we were fragmented. Into Otunfo Netin Safre Yen from NPP, Northern People's Party, Ofreye, and Asantemai NLM. Ofe Asantemai. I before no more two parties. And Law Youth Movement from Qatar. In fact, one leader. Later on a year tradition UP. Your first General Secretary, Modesto Apalu. And Transvolta Togoland Movement. Now one Congress. Now one who Hohoi. One who by two parties. Ganshi Fomope, one party. Muslim Action Party, Muslims. Amadu Babamu. No woman do one party by all across Ghana, different parties. You bar together. E wokumasiya. E mensia to form our tradition. The UP tradition, a United Party tradition. Inti e banu say na enne ye dinchenchemu. A guya party say. We are now at 87 seats. From a high of 169, you have to do 87.
I mean, the party, no, from the party NPP, as also for UP. The UP, the new...
the breakaway party.
And also from the NPP.
It's from within the NPP. Into which we have to come back together to see power. Don't let us deceive ourselves. We uncle. We have to come back. It is a Mikola and party in for that is the delegates, the executives, Yakasa. They understand what I'm saying to them. Now, the beauty of it all is that at the end of this process, we are coming back to our spiritual home. Sa Congress no ayebano to elect national executives. No, it's happening here in Kumasi.
Yes.
Me call my country home now say it is not coming to elect national leaders. It is coming to reconnect spiritually with our roots in Kabum unity. This is an Nkabom conference. It's a unity conference.
Yami conference never the Nkabomu conference.
Yes, we have to get together.
But was a party no making the right decision.
Yes.
So be party man nama
yes.
I see.
Now, I'm a party say, I am ready to do this job again. Yes, said there's anything in it for me.
Yeah, but share party no ne how structure the city and Serenamini Evans Ekano. But for my tier 4 to understand and know you well, no. Omo mate I mean, Paul Afoko, beyond politics, within politics and beyond politics. On the one.
87.9 Kumasi.
Paul Afoko, no office Sandma. Sandma himfie. Me a bulsani.
Okay.
Na down south na mo fe say Kanjaga. Yenya Kanjaga, ye bulsa. Kanjaga is just a town. It is say me who na me feel Bonue. You are not Bonue, we are Santini.
Yes. Yes, I see.
Until you were Kanjaga as a town. You were Sandemaso, the capital of Bulsa North. Now, if you Sandma, if you, my family, within the family, say here, we have different people with different political leanings. Now, originally, no, na MPP, Northern People's Party. Originally. Now, me, I'm married with children, and I'm children who are not biologically mine, but I've adopted all of them legally into women. I am me a businessman. Political activism, and not started from student days.
Akoma FM
Now,
87.9.
me family say you dig into the history, you will see that time those slave raiders Bano, Babatu and Samori, womu ebe ready for slaves to go and sell. No, me family that led the fight against it. And the yekokun tokopa womu. We were warriors.
Okay.
It is a years every year. December, your festival be a Fiok festival, Sandema.
Okay.
You see the warriors coming out in those old traditional armor and bows and arrows, any womujuju, any. We went and we fought and we defeated those people. We routed them. From that time, and so the North became calm.
Okay.
Slavery doesn't stop here. Into my family background, we have sacrificed to fight injustice.
I see.
Into womi moja.
Oh, mojemu. But at the time who announces about the national chairmanship no. I want for you say say when Afoko politics they will go through in Onwane party NPP. Ya Tuaba party ko Tuaba Mao 2014. Na I mean after about 1 year now you see a suspended. Call behind the scene. Now we are party we'll talk about that.
Yeah.
But Okasa will say baby you know. People fight okay, bad be bad Benin and party anymore because uni baby ako. But banwa sabe contested positioner one kasa officer watna hoping na suspension by okotine fee for years. Now we say baby again na a motivate you say no unwie politics. And for that matter crown MPP crown no munwie. Now we say ba now bas contested that same position.
Say we are MPP ni na say we do party no a. Say we should be a party no war and nay. And you there. You cannot be happy. Yes, no clear. One must suspend me. But before the suspension, na my age I knew we were going to win power.
No why Juma na a day victory by 2016.
Yes,
No why you
yes, because me call around Ghana. Na me was strategy be, and I named the strategy NPP, New Plan for Power.
Okay.
Now say me de call round and I me de call tongma your party delegates every constituency. And I me chair woman say yeah, and to me and we need that election now. NDC will be in power for 12 years. Because when he started Tamils by he did almost 4 years. And so John Mahama Baye, he just finished that term. And yeah, on another term.
Yeah.
And then he won another term. Into 8 years, no. And so we need the next one now. Young MPP, but now opposition 12 years. Into me this plan on the call round. And party opinion for delegates, women TA me. And almost in there, they will test me. It's almost the Ekonyonomami, and I used it to implement the new plan for power. So we share all the primaries I did, parliamentary primaries, and which is the building block of success.
Exactly.
Because every constituency is a building block of our success. Me here primacy against the advice of so-called impenyinfo womuchi me okutina demu wo nkrai SEO we there yempena asemo into disqualify him we on board remove him we there ye donopa into protect him against all those coming to contest and I say me as chairman I won't do that. I will do exactly what will give us power. If you use your emotion for power, would you Akoma you won't get power. Power there any emotion. Power is power. Power and soon power doesn't laugh, power doesn't cry, power doesn't get angry. Into say we dear power pair. You get power. Into me some impne. Hey, Afoko de ombu dear ombu nipa. Ye no kasa wontie. Ye say yem pe we asem yen tu no so one penny. And Mr. Naminim said, what I'm going to do will be painful, but to be for the good of the party. Power. In the end, me year primaries we over 33 MPs lost their primaries. I have close friends, MPs, from Asantuma, even from Kumasi. How women lose women seats were primaries. Western.
I think that was fair.
It was fair. And until women, even though they lost, they came back and worked for the party. Jumama party. Even presidential primaries, then the party oh yeah Allah nipa oh yeah Allah nipa. Me say media. Once I am the referee of the match, me MPP nipa. I'm for the party, not for any individual. Into your and also Nana Akufo-Addo na winning. Clear cut winner. Yes, say Bibi Abemusa. And so everybody, Ejitum say the thing was clear. It was. In the time I'm here, I knew. When we say Minko suspension, I mean him. Say all the building blocks of success have been put there. And the only thing that I can say, yenko printed posters, na yenye t-shirt, na yenko round, and yeah, kuku. That's all that was left. But the main work was done. Into Mikoye, meaning say you're winning. And true, we won 169 seats.
Yeah.
From losing over 30 MPs at primaries, from a position of 122 MPs at the time, we went up to 169. And even presidential candidate on your unprecedented 1 million majority. Into Nami meaning say we are winning. Because then the next election, next one, now your power, we had everything, including Bank of Ghana is in our pocket. You will be BBR, national security, police, army, BBR. And what happens?
We started losing seats.
We lost one. We came down from 169 to 137.
Yeah.
And you see, when you use your emotions, you won't get power. Yeah, you use your emotions. Disqualified a lot of people in that election.
In that 2020
yes.
election,
You are political watchers and observers. You know, you saw what happened.
The idea no now at the time nanka will protect yourself more fine. Now,
and yes, and you see from 169 to 137. In fact, Samukaya, NDC also had 137. Now, for Mina MP Nigeria, for Mina, you feel inclined, you buy it, you call for Mina, you see your name sapapano. He should go. Yen penasem on board ye. Yen klulu na yen tunu. And we did it. We did it. We wrote a letter to the Speaker of Parliament to even deal with this MP. Just because yen penasem. And then see ye.
But the narrative that I been more than banner say only the presidential candidate then. Namuntemungo. Which is Nanado Danko Kufuor.
Yes.
Na issues ewo mumi no montem.
Media na wo see issues wo na media me any issues. Me adia na me can say I want us to win power. and I will do everything for us to win power. I'm not going to listen to Obi Obekanche and say, "Mpe we asem into tuno." I won't do that. Maybe a pepe neo. Say, "Wouldn't pepe, 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 pepe." That's the meaning. Me yeah, idea pepe, pepe, pepe. I won't deviate. Now, I didn't listen to that. We got 169. Woman buy, and they were following
Emotions.
in two way. We ended up with 137. Nipa ayenina yefi incline. We came to Formina and came and campaigned against that man and called him a stranger to the party. The party has his candidate who we like. Formina 4, I keep saying that the executives, woman party impending for, the people at the police station, woman party impending for, they turned around and told Incline, say, "We will listen to you. You say you don't like this man. Now, Onona Yepe." And they voted for him. And he came in as independent. On also called parliament. Or say, media minim say, "One more won't talk about mommy ever for me. No, woman now MPP for." So I am here as an MPP person. In the Mimo Jansuya MPP.
Yeah.
And he helped us with that his one seat. Yenya 138. Okay. No.
I see.
So when you want to do something, sometimes there's a cost. A personal cost. My friends lost.
But because of the interest of the political party, you know, or no, you're okay. But behind the scene, not all of you know, throughout the period that now we're suspended, you know. That's now the person contribute to be the my party in terms of be a resources and now will contribute to the my party.
Yes.
Now there was a pointer now I'm penning for so consult will say this is when you perceive here the my party no who is saying. And
no dear, it
was free mukra.
Impenium for dear depends on who definition of impenium for. Me dear opinion for year one more polling station level no. In the constituency level. And it's him say, we need about 200 bicycles for the various villages. We need some bicycles for people who can go around and coordinate. Even pickups. I give pickups to people.
Even when party is so here.
Yes, but I know a regime at that time say that's okay, but still be the party no. I can't they be me be sanipa say wo osofo akofa wo yira into which I say when you Christo ni biom. No. It be me MPP.
But they at the point how say we nipa BBC.
Oh yes.
You went off for a while. Now person better party na sem crab you na.
Eno je no kre nyesa me person better party no asem. E binom wo ho ana wo mo kasa I didn't want to listen.
E binom e hwan
So called national bringing for into say me fear e was andma breakfast time now my so TV. Obi or Banos or Kasan, I changed the channel.
Including the president.
I changed the channel.
Not President Kahun.
I changed the channel.
Tinanando Bet TV is no Kasan or change the channel.
I changed the channel because now it before wow. But after 1 year, now you go. But I'm stopping me say me local MPP for womba me ho. Within the region, womba me ho. Within the north, womba me ho. Even in the south, Kumasi ha, many MPP for we get together. But now when you say regimes come and go, situations come and change. Kufo baye oko, Buzia baye oko, enti Nana Kufuado so aba ono so oko. But party will always be there.
Based on this, Mami Musa said only the former president, Nana Danko Kufuado, relationship, it is a one in term to say.
You see, right now, BBI okay. To me, because all the time, na okay. Now, so obviously, on Pewasema, that's a winning problem, and in the park one, then you don't have a problem. It's the person who has a problem, not you. Into Minino Asia, Yakasa, In fact, in terms of nkabomia mekano, me kono ho. I started with Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Excellency. Me kono ho.
Akoma
And
FM
me ko kanche no.
87.9
I want to come back because the party is in a bad shape. I want to come back and try and bring the party back together. After Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, me called President Akufo-Addo ho. And I told him the same thing. Me say the party is in a bad shape. Now, me kasa here, me say party no is in a bad shape. He wasn't happy.
Oh.
But it's true.
Why not you happy?
President Akufo-Addo.
Oh.
But it's true. Party, your party nipa bena so what the party no you'll be happy about.
So you
our,
feel say based on the facial expression, no?
Yes.
No admit said the old can no crana.
Well, of course, also because I no cry on one on himself. The party is not in a good shape. Be a other party when himself party is not in a good shape. It's not surprising. And I can't share no. I want to come back to be chairman and to fix the party. Now, do you have any advice for me? Maybe someone say, do you have any advice for me? Or say, now when him saying you won't go nipa, me say I mean him say about 5 of us are interested. And I say, so when him say 5, me say 5 plus me 6. Or say me say there be.
So now open advice, any endorsement.
No.
But no open advice.
Advice.
And also nipa 5.
Was it nipa 5? And I can't say no. I repeated it. Me say, Mr. President, what advice do you have for me? And I can't me say, wait there. You go. If you win, I'll work with you. That was good for me.
When was this?
When I was going around to tell everybody that I want to contest.
So we want to know, say, before say
Officially-
or exerted power, and I say after. Yes. That's what
Because I know
that's
they're
what-
after.
Yes, exactly. That's what.
87.9.
But into who to me get you closer to president, former president, after so or executive power.
I'm going to after all exit power, we've met about.
I'm person me say or what power no when now person will get you closer when you access and I want make any effort to be a.
Man, make effort. And no J, no
After
clear.
so yes so be samba
Right.
and I will call no
Yes.
after say free power.
Yes.
Oh okay.
By the time all war power, we meet in social settings.
Okay.
For example, you could share what a President Kufuor birthday. Oh, me, hey, Chaban, long time no see. And me can't say, no, Mr. President, me, I see you every time. You're on TV, you're on radio. And
Initially,
Australia.
let me tune you off, but they say they Michelle.
Yes.
But Mampani Kufo, okay, the same approach, and I would call it the other
Yes,
call.
the same
So
approach.
No, so they to say. Nah,
Only
the
there
response
make
they
us
say.
say, Mr. President, the party is in a bad shape, or say, Paul, na, Jenna, walk at you, when him say, Mr. Muwagana, I know the state of the party.
Oh.
Mr. Yes, sir, I know you know. And he,
You are telling him something he is aware of.
Yes. And you
Okay.
know, and
Okay.
obviously, I'm saying, Dientina walk away in HM. And I will say, I want to come back and be chairman of the party to fix the party. I say, hey, Paul, over here, have you got the fire in you to do it?
Oh.
And I'm can't just say, yes, I have the fire because I have fear. Fear is fueling my fire. The fear that if you look at your party and you look at our political history and see that there was a party called CPP which was dominant in this country. And Untina, offer to come and unite and form that our tradition. And next CPP, no, they don't even have one seat in parliament. Yeah, and so we have started going down. 169, 137, 88, 87. Yeah, go down. We are not coming up.
Akoma
Inti-
FM 87.9
Sai Hunu
Kumasi.
is what makes me want to come and do it. And
Akoma
or say, and
FM
look,
87.9
I understand
Kumasi.
you, and I know you can do it once you say you have the desire to do it. Into court, you have my blessing. Go and do it. From there, now me start to go around to try and unite this party. Me call Kennedy Japan or me call Brian Champon or Kwabena Japan. I went around all of them. After that, I started going. Me call national executive. Me call Chairman Bute, or no acting chairman. Well, substantive chairman because first chairman
Yeah,
first vice takes
yeah,
over.
sure.
Into onu ne frɛ onu ne general secretary Kodia. Woman the frɛ national executive Mami. And I went to them and I told them the same thing. I did me can't the other senior members no. I told them the same thing. Afterwards, there were no questions. We say, you are the managers of the party. When you open nominations, I will take the forms. After that, we call National Council of Elders. And then I started going around Ghana.
I see. And the Evans, and baby and common na chairman. Nebrenisa and I will check a cradia my na but last question be I will be able to
maybe such chairman said he stood for a conviction. 2015 unfortunately there also we any time when you see say any say MPP SRD to me national and say be wa the conviction no kura back then bibia sesa eno an ode bem
chairman.
Yes, my question no. Ain't me eno because a lot of time has passed. 11 years.
Yeah.
Ain't that conviction is there. Your principles are always abiding. Those principles will never change. And Kabum is something that is missing in our party. It's a building block, it's a principle that means me mamu 2 examples. We share a Bantama, you say Bantama is our stronghold. Asante Mine, no matter what happens, we keep Bantama. What about Dagbon? Yes, we have stronghold any Yendi. We've lost Yendi to the NDC. Why? Because 2 people contesting the seat, the primaries. In Chechemuaba, when ye nipa, way of himfa, or yemu bako. These things mean that yenfa unity in Kabom Sambra. And that my original plan, new plan for power, no, the one we used in 2014 to block NDC, no, it has changed. It has come 3 hours. We have to reunite the party and re-strengthen the party and then to recapture power. Now, re-strengthening the party, no, is back down to Ajia Mimi Yeye. And that one too, it doesn't change. I made every party constituency go and open bank account. No woman need be. Woman need bank account. And I made them open bank account. And I'm starting here. I'm putting 10,000 CDs into every constituency account because woman constituency. No, that is where the power lies. Woman sorry they be a woman call a year, woman call bonsa. They do sooner, they do wedding, they do. Now, party doesn't give them money, it doesn't pay them. And a woman bottom sicker and do all these things. And to me say, we have to do this. Me be a bank account, no, and I put 10,000 CDs into every bank account.
Wow.
Now, woman, you see, those who try to stop me at my vetting. I want to say me a cocaine dealer. I will butcher, make the jail for a long time until I should stop. Woman vet me, woman passing me, I should go. And I had to go and sit at home for 6 weeks. Woman the meeting and my details, Akoma, Interpol, International Police. Woman headquarters were Manchester, and they took it there for 6 weeks. Now me tifie. Finally, after 6 weeks, woman friend me say, "Oh, Mr. Afoko, would you call your campaign now?" I said, "Na Interpol, woman they are sababa na." No. Would you call your campaign? Say report no ba. You be from na wasaba. Me so I thought this thing is weird because it is a woman pamata dia emfatami woman this. I said I will have to go and dig into this matter. That time me can voting committee me see. I've never been to prison in my life. I've never dealt in drugs in my life. You have to prove it. You see, but I should be innocent until proven guilty. Mina will prove my innocence. The and we can't say the only prison I've been in my life. Any role is cheap, I go to prison.
Yes.
Apart from that, I haven't been to prison.
Yes.
Into Interpol, me fee party headquarters. I went straight to police headquarters, CID headquarters, 4th floor. That's where the Interpol office is. Me call desk officer no. Me say na officer, someone to be from Interpol headquarters in Manchester. And I say, oh, you're my party. Me say, are you sure? I say, here, this is the file. Read it. Me sure mo. Interpol came back to say that Paul Afoko is clean. They've checked all police agencies, institutions all across the world. I have no conviction. They don't. They say he's unknown. Those were the words. Unknown to any police institution in the world. Until I went on to campaign, Sanipano, they started calling people and telling that Odadamo, don't open the bank accounts, Odadamo. And when finally those who believed me, it could be a bank account, I gave them the 10,000. And later on, they heard that, 10,000, they also went and opened. I gave them their 10,000. And then what happens? One of our own national executive members, Ekotuna TV, and you people, you know, I won't mention his name because I know your past. I don't want to dig up old wounds and Eko. He sat on TV and said, Paul Afoko is squandering the party's money. Some is say party sika. And me so who pay power and we did it publicly. You don't go to TV and challenge your officer. Into my friend meeting, steering committee meeting, and I'm a bisano. We say, I'm squandering the party's money. I said, but party money, I've squandered it. Media shop me bottom ana. Na wo nim baby askano fi.
Akoma FM 87.
Media ma party. I've given it to where we have to win the power. We say, my say party sika. Please, next time, I'll go out and disgrace you into Jai.
That's leadership.
So
that's
those
leadership.
Principles.
That's leadership.
Those principles, it hasn't changed. It has to work again.
All right, Chairman, my final question, because I said we're limited time. A bit more, and especially I've spoken with a good number of your party people, Omo Pewasem, but Omo concern has to do with the fact that Oflag bearer of northern descent, and now also so we free northern region eba maybe, and only idea I say a play or imagine him say ni ne could be baby fako. How are you working to break that notion? Say yes, your flag bearer if in northern region. Also so be chairman. We are one of the leading members of it easily. Also so free northern region. A play how are you working to break that particular notion?
Well, wait, Jimmy Das, this is a very pertinent question. Your party, the party never looks at Ufi Hinfa and San Obama opposition. Party no, I should say, a Juma Ben a dayanim, and one a bit me a Jumano, and then they give it to you. Now, the flag bearer of North East, Mimi Fiapa East, or your Mampusini, Mimi, your Bulsani. And see, we are not actually one. Said the Ebin Mukano. Now, say, we share party Abakosema. Starting from 92, your flag bearer, Dubois, your chairman, BJ Darocha, so we born it in. BJ Darocha, your general secretary, I can name what
87.9 Kumasi.
Party no, a chusu womu say, you were Jumaye. We want to win an election into one na bet me a yejuma. Womu koye, they couldn't win. And the party turned around and said, any Eduboy and Kotuna Fiwa, Yedima. President Kufo, that time Mr. Kufo. Woman see, BJ the Rocha also got enough here. Why? Yedima Peter Lajete. And I didn't watching. Why, Juma? Enti, we repeat you. Sanko. Enti, a tresse party no. Woman should say, Woofy Hefan and buy. Woman should say, a Juma no bet me, and I didn't watching what tresse or to me, Jumano. Into Yedi Yamanu a second chance, and at the other two, Womukoye. And from that point on, every time, we share President Kufo, Odoy Sykes, Dambochwe, woman in our soundness. It kept on soundness until 2014. Mr. Time me call around. My uncle country will be said me muntu mame me esremni. No. Me say new plan for power MPP in here. The problem I ever no say we can sit at home for 12 years. Inti munhwe me plan no. Ebe ye adwuma na muntu mame a me debe ye adwuma. And they voted for me to become chairman on the plan. Say my chair say met me aye adwuma. Yes say me koka wo mu say me esrem ni muntu aba mame. Inti circumstances no Eba say right now, you are choosing flag bearer dada. Oh yes, but he's from northeast.
Akoma FM.
I bet do yes so. Media, I have a plan. The same thing I'm here 2014. The same thing I'm coming back with my 3 hours. Say this is the program to win power. Yes, no, and the party for we don't think about Esremni and I say Asantini because at one point when him say Makmenu oye Asantini, Kufoso oye Asantini, but they were at the top. President flag bearer Akufo, who became president, Makmenu also became chairman. No oye chairman. Ebinu pi would say Makmenu oye from Western region. No, Okotuna Western region. And I would do regional chairman wo. But he's from Ejeso. Into party and sure say we feel him from the buyer.
I see.
And especially more Asante. You people receive everybody, the whole of Ghana, even West Africa is here. Yeah. West Africa, it was Asante. You don't discriminate. And see, me call around what I told them. And in answer to that question, because I'm glad say what besides that question, no. In answer to that question, everywhere I tell them, listen, whether I can do the work. Say mu nyina e was Santomai. Mu Atinga Junction. Ukwa obenya chinchinga biedi. Atinga ye frafadi. No, Atinga ye frafadi.
Yes. That's true.
Mu Dagomba line.
Yes.
Mu Moshizongo.
Yes.
Mu Fanti Newtown.
Yes. The one loga.
Mu stadium your friend is saying.
Baba
Yare or Yasantini.
David.
My time I go to a class 4 stadium, Dean Yetsi or Hinijai. Genesee, or Hinijai, what happened? In Conforce or Mumpany, Umfa or Hinibea and Betuya stadium, so, and they changed to a class 4 stadium. Muja Bantama. Say yes, SMD. Mbantama. Mba, me papa, Mbantama. Yes. Sorry, Bantama.
I see. And German, you're very na 2 critical questions you're share now yet me dealing with. Or relationship with Mami Musa say, how is your relationship with Alan out of the party? Ebino Felice Canada here Japan at a point Omo can say that amnesty now party officially Omo agree some the bemano. On an a pushy at some point or mention within class one others or say mom amnesty so that party bit my him. You are here today. Among Felice Canada here Japan. Baby, and no, he's almost out of the party. Minim unkoma woni ne didie. Maka Alan Kojochina Martin Sem. Any other people are. Is here because no party no major party na say will be anye de ope. Your relationship with them and you that should be obey chairman. What is the assurance that you'll be able to bring them back actively, not just odomo but actively in the party?
Akoma FM.
Assurance. It all depends on the condition and atmosphere of the party. Yes, can the Ohina Japan. I don't know what me call because recently they are now one plans on the Bayemi send me a cocaine dealer. No, it happened again. Woman called National Council, and there was a petition against me. Now. At that same day, now one did placards echo the same National Council meeting say Yempam Kennedy at Japan. It's wrong. party just say who to man as open say we pay from that hole. You stop digging first. Inti media people like that, Kennedy Japan. Me call him, he didn't close the door on me. Or can or say or no dear me bisa no me say Mati say it's something going on your friend base.
Yeah,
you are
the
part
base,
of
yes.
it. Or say on him hoshi.
Okay.
And me can say okay. Na DNT na what na fear you are no longer active. Na say me we need chairman. I'm coming back to ask you to be active again. Also say hey senior. Who they call we win here Brami and Kasa. He didn't shut the door.
Okay.
And there's a hope. Alan, outside of politics, we are in good shape. And even within politics, we are all. Samukai, the party chairman, Boniface Abubakar Sadiq, honorable. Say, no, he went around the country with me.
Yeah.
For me to win 2014.
Yeah.
And that relationship is still solid. Mukaiswa, UNCPFP, ye party abakosem no no. Time PFP na Victor Wusu and the UNC Pauli Oforiata from Chebi. Womuti womu fi ye party no more. But in the end, in Kabum, for the sake of power,
Yes.
and I form and MPP no, and then Kufuor came and won the power for us. Into media, it is history going to work again. Now, this is a party in Penny for that is the delegates. So, I believe strongly that I can bring everybody back.
I see.
I believe it.
Supreme Court to say the no delegate system or no and party no say party be a political party be a so then obey amending the constitution no now they are year juma.
Yes.
And it will happen within time so be a chairman within time mobile implement this way.
Yes.
Opposition the no delegate system na Supreme Court ruling about no where you free horse obi oye card bearing member in good standing.
Yes.
Also on to me to for the presidential primaries and then the parliamentary primaries. Opposition the same and how do you look at it in future? Say ebeboa party no system on ana.
Media Misha is just like a continuation of democracy, a deepening and widening of democracy. So we share Parliament, 276 seats. Yeah, you know, I ain't even continue Parliament, but we all vote. Who the electoral commission card, and you are a Ghanaian, you have the chance to go and vote and pick somebody to go and represent you. It's how even within political party. And it's a woman say every party member who are here would use. We hear you mama party. You should take part in choosing who is your representative. It's good. Now going forward, there will be mistakes, and we need to correct those mistakes. And not that you amendment. Even constitutions get amended. Oko America, the 5th Amendment. And no, as we go on to implement, say party impenium for delegates. Emma Misai Konyanoa, that 1 year given by the Supreme Court, we'll see how to implement. Now say a difficult. We will have to go back for amendments. That is review. Because Supreme Court, Kasa, it's not the end. You will go back for a review, and this time, not say 5 Supreme Court justices the Kasa. When you ask for a review, they expand it to 7 or 9, so that they'll hear it again. And the media, left to me alone, is deepening democracy.
I see. Chama want to me ask them.
Yes.
Judgment in the buy. Okay,
Yes.
so when the issue started here from last year, now who follow?
Yes.
Who pay attention to the Kosovo court?
Yes.
Judgment aba, a sentencing to 20 years.
Yes.
Now, send who this whole thing.
And no dear,
FM
Nicholas,
87.9 Kumasi.
now mini wun to me yentemu was very good. We, even though there were problems politically,
Okay.
but yes, yeah, we are always good to each other, very respectful. Until now, me fi Kumasi Amiko and crying when the judgment was the sentencing, I was worried because me my co-president.
Yes.
I always got
81, I think 81.
I know the man court from my bed a few times straight to prison. Into me name said the present here. It's not a nice place.
Akoma FM
Into now
87.9
me see
Kumasi.
into anyway, is this what he's going to endure? And then we could do and cry. And then I started asking questions. And the woman can say, yen your government, MPP government, yen na yebesi sa law no. Because anka before MPP government, SSR law no. So be them kwa 3 years or 5 years maximum.
Yes.
Now yen we came and changed the thing to 15 years or 25 years. Into
Akoma FM
with this matter,
87.9 Kumasi.
me, I believe very strongly, say, appeal no or filing no, we should all support it to go in and see how we can mitigate this situation.
Okay.
Because some people win appeals and are set free. And I be no more, you have your sentence reduced. But sad time, some old plan MPP no. I said every region must have a team of rapid reaction lawyers. And those lawyers will have constituencies assigned to them.
Akoma FM
Yeko
87.9 Kumasi.
Konongo. We were told about one party member, Oya communication ban, that they've taken him away. Nobody knows where he is.
Yes.
Our rapid reaction team should have been in place. But
I see.
woman to me, they left that, they took it out.
And
Intermediate, back to one to me.
Okay. And it's not about say Nanka, I mean, no one Nankana the same the chairmanship yeah no munyina moko the same contest.
Oh yes.
But then people feel say Mumubu Ohoa yeah emo de within.
Oh.
Some because obviously Obabe contest him. It was a threat to
87.9 Kumasi.
What threat?
We yes you know probably be a
What threat? Akonyanunti. What threat? Oh, we winning. The main thing is unity to get power. Oh, it's a party opinion for that is the constituency executives. So when we see onuna woman pair, that's when we see me time I try me cotton. What threat? Before being him, I accept it. When you go into a contest, you win or you lose. Enti won to me say onihobium doesn't please my heart.
I see.
And me there.
I see.
And me there. They be a mimika o. So obi se o time ya. Na se o hamia. Me nkashi. Me senya mo say. Yeah, we have good health, long life, and we go forward in the end.
Obehundi nyame ebeye.
Ebeye.
That's true.
God has never made a mistake.
That's true. That's true.
God has never made a mistake.
German, finally, you're coming in a baby. Maybe we say a dear na delegate of a Tuabano.
87.9 Kumasi.
Omun Sheso, Omun Kai, Omun Yinaso, and from Tuabam Fama.
So that is what is the reason? Yes, sir.
Yes.
The reason is the 3 hours. The reason is that me 2014, you were opposition. And I say NPP, New Plan for Power, you be win it. And we won. And then so we are now at a crisis point because crisis, no, it's even deeper than 2014. Now 2014, you were 122 seats. Now this time, you were only 87 seats. Into the crisis is even deeper.
Yeah.
Into the woman woman share seriously. Say when the plan about it will take us out of this critical point. and bring us back up. Now, my plan no is a 3 hours replacing the MPP, the new plan for power. Woman share and understand that party ye were juma ye. Na say juma no. Me na minim say because a bit me kwa time a woman more power me manya and na me be so almost na me swear.
87.9 Kumasi.
Gota mama me gota. Manya toilet impo say me go clean. I got nothing.
You will trouble until grandson a power neighbor.
Yes. And the power no so buy yeah.
Yes.
As chairman who invested in the party, invested my money, my energy, my emotions, my thoughts, baby manya one more mommy toilet say me go clean. No, so that Mr. Menya simple could be akodidi. No. But it doesn't bother me. Into woman share me. Woman share say that is what is main thing for the party. And next time you see Sa conference here back no, it's a spiritual journey. We are soon no a push party no back to where it was formed, and it was formed on the basis of Nkabom unity. And next time you see that conference in Kumasi is a unity conference, Nkabom conference. And me 3 hours the first thing is reunite. Nkabom. Without it, we have no power. We have no party. We will win. You use your head to strategize. And from your strategy, you draw out your tactics. Every region will draw out its tactics because no region is the same. And even when the region draws its tactics, no constituency is the same. They also draw out their tactical moves from that. And nona bemaye power. That is the reason why they should vote for me.
But there will be question there about say, would you say party no indiscipline they take over the party? A question can we and a question about indiscipline.
Indiscipline.
Yes.
And no dear, it is just discipline that must be reintroduced.
Okay.
And me so say me kaya me pepe ni pepe.
Yes.
What for me pepe and yeah atemdio.
Yes.
Yes, we are describing say me a pepe.
And on nama me sure say mampani that I could focus say, hey, we are sure say ubetimi.
Say more
because the way a party no, well at some point you invite Crawford disciplinary committee grana. I mean,
and then we have processes. You have procedures. It is described in the party constitution.
Yes.
You follow it.
Yes.
Nobody is bigger than the party.
Exactly.
Nobody. Even chairman put you to me, it means I'm not bigger than the party. And who can defy the party? You discipline the person. You don't sack them because you're paying kabom. You won't sack them, but you discipline them. That's why we have disciplinary committee everywhere, from constituency to region to national.
Okay, Chairman. Yeah, that's it.
Miss Midamasi.
Yeah, we show.
When the material for you now, Midamasi, now Yamin Shramo.
Downtown laundry. So, but you him downtown laundry. PV Janto.
Yes.
He's listening.
Anytime in Bakumasia, I use his laundry. It's very good.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Yes. Or TA and pay.
Wonderful.
Also watch out.
No, dear, is you see. Your party, a political party. We are all working for Ghana. Ultimately, a Ghana. Into me, sorry, say, where your NDC in Penas and to me, no, it's a jousting of ideas. Matieno on air. And there are some of the things he says, I agree with him 100%. Is this a studio?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Akoma, yes. Now, these are the things. Say, we bring our heads together to distill ideas to help our country. It's not me. So we are the mature people in this country. Your former chairman, Alajete, Peter Alajete, your former chairman, Neba Larry Ajete, is a leading member of NDC on their legal team. top one. We shall your party. Your immediate past, your friend is saying, our immediate past minister for Abu Jinapo. Sending you John Jinapo.
Yeah.
Abu Jinapo is a leading member of MPP. Yeah. Ninia, the same father, Ninia, only energy ministers here within NDC. Into a say we should come together first in Kabom within MPP, and then in Kabom as a country. Who fit Ghana, who could do a butcher? Woman who say, "Oh, we are MPP near, and I say we are NDC." No, woman who we are Ghanaian. That's all. Into PV Obindia, Mechiano,
yes,
yeah, PV Jantua, PV Jantua, Mechiano.
Yeah, nah. Also wish you well.
Thank you.
Also be campaign amount.
Oh, sir. Hey, over to me, Akasana. Womu.
What do you obey am pa?
Hey, MPP for
but he has a lot of youth ni be on so omo 18 or 16 ano near there. There are some in the MPP omo nyina omo follow 19.
Last time me ba akwaside me share mo regional minister any KMA
yes.
And I me can't share womo TV cameras womo hu here but womo an charge me can't share. Me see youth any your future. Now more you are trying to take our youth away from us. So me ba as chairman na me mpini and regional minister say, "Oh, we there say, we are missing here. We say we mpini ha." And yeah, imagine sir, me see. Let the party vote for me. I'll come and base in Asanteman. Yebeji youth, they will come back to us.
So you've seen or a threat the NPP in the region. But people are refusing to even within the party. A bit more admit.
I say don't get here by or say there. He's going to take 50% of Asanteman. Wanga. Didn't you hear him? Before NDC is a woman get 3 seats. They are lucky.
Yeah.
They get 4 seats. They are lucky. And then they've doubled. One more 7 seats.
Yeah.
Not before. One more kasa, one more say, oh, yet we get 28% of Ashanti. We won the election. Look at where they are today. It is a threat. Don't let us sit
the
at
Ashanti
home.
Regional Minister, Dr.
Frank. Mini woman ye ninta kwa bia politics.
Yes.
Kabina min kabi. Inti mi ba say MPP for mami chairman na mi ba Asanteman our spiritual home. Ye beji we'll send them back to 3 seats. Inti PV Jan to mi Israel ye campaign mami why. Mi Israel.
Chairman, yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. Therefore, any chairman we na Evans, any chairman we. Me try home runner.